increase 250 milliliters by 10%. So there are two ways to do this. So let's do the first method first. What I need to do is I just need to find 10% up to 50, and because of increase, so I just add that to 250 milliliters. So first of all, 10% up to 50 is 10%, which is 10 over 100 times 250. So this 0 cancel with this, and this cancel with this. So it's left with 1 times 25, so 25 milliliters. So that is 10% up to 50. Because of increase, so that means we add that on top. So that means 250 milliliters, we add 25 milliliters. So the answer is 275 milliliters. Now, method number 2. So if you think about it, originally is 100%, always. Originally always 100%. Now we increase another 10%. So that means we add 10 more percent on top. So that this means that we have 110%, because 100% add another 10 is 110%. Now what we need to find is just 110% of 250. So 250 times 110%. So just go percent. So now this 0 I cancel with this you cancel with this. So just same as 11 times 25. I just go 25 times 11. So that 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, and then at 0, 1 times 5 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. If we add them up, so 5, 7, 2. So the same answer, so 275 milliliters. The first method is easier, but a lot longer. So second method, you add percentage first, so it become 110, and just time by the original amount. Increase 250 milliliters by 100%. So 100%, if you know that 100% is one whole, otherwise 100% you time by 250. So that's this 0 cancel out, so it's just like exactly the same original amount. So which is you increase another 250. In another word, increase by 100%, it means you double the original amount. So 250 add 250. So that means 500. So the answer is 500 milliliters. Otherwise, method number 2, so originally 100%. So now you increase another 100%. So which is 200% altogether. See, 200%. Now remember, 200% means 200 per 100. So that means 2, see? So if you increase 100%, means you double the original amount. So you just go 200% of 250. So 250 times 200%. So I know 200% is 2. Or you just times 200 over 100. So give you 500 milliliters. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Increase $48 by 25%. So if you notice 25%, it means a quarter. So you increase by a quarter if you like. So first of all, I go 48. I work out 25% first, which is a quarter. It's easier. So now 4 go to 4 is 1. And then 4 go to 8 is 2. So which is $12. So in another word, increase $48 by 25%. It's just same as increase $48 by $12. So which is $48. And you add $12 on top. So which give me $60. Or you can do $48. $48 you time by 125%. So 125%. So also give you $60. Increase 50 milliliters by 200%. So remember 200% is 2 if you like, because 200% is 200 over 100. So like that. So first of all, what we do, we can do 50 times by 200%, which is 2, or write 200%, or 200 over 100. So which is 100. So increase 100 by 50. So which is 50 at 100. So which is 150 milliliters. Again, you can also do these techniques because originally 100%, 100%. Now you add 200%. So 200, sorry, just write 200 here. So all together is 300%. So what you do, you go 50 times by 300%, which is 3, if you like. So you go, so left with 50 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then you add a 0. So 150 milliliters. Increase $90 by 10.5%. Originally is 100%. So now what we do, we increase another 10.5%. So 10.5% like this. So this means that we have 110.5%. So now all we need to do now is just go $90, you times by 110.5%, which give me, which is $99.45. Increase 24 kilograms by 8 1/3%. So 8 1/3% add on top to original amount, which is 100%. So which is 108 1/3%, if you like. So now I just put it in a calculator. So which is 24 times 108 1/3%, which is per 100. So now just put in a calculator. So which is 24 times, put the fractions and mix fractions. So 108 1/3%. I just write over 100. There you go. So which is 26. So the answer is 26 kilograms. Decrease $300 by 15%. So again, first of all, we work out 15% of 300 first. So $300 times by 15%. So give me this. So cancel this out, cancel it 2. So 15 times 5 is 45. So which means reduce by $45, which is do $300 minus $45. So now the answer is $255. Otherwise, if you think about it, original amount is 100%. Now, because you reduce 15%, so you cut off 15%. Let's say this is 15% here. So what that means, 100 minus 15. So 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 minus 5 is 85% left. So all you need to do is $300 times by 85%. Or you can just time by 0.5. So that will give you $255. Decrease 68 kilograms by 10.5%. So original amount is 100%. Because we reduce 10.5%. So 10.5%, 10.5% cut off. So which means 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 minus 0.5 is 89.5% left. So now what we need to do is just work out 89.5% of 68 kilograms. So it goes 68 times 89.5%. Otherwise, you can just type 89.5%, which is same as 0.895 times 68, which give me 60.86 kilograms. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Decrease 40 hours by 12%. So I just do a quick method, okay? Just do 100%. Okay, 100%, we reduce by 12%. So 12% here, it disappears. So 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 minus 2 is 88% left. So this is gone. So what we need to do now, it is 88% of 40 hours. Just write 40 will do. Or you can type 0.88 times 40, which give me 35.2 hours. Decrease 600 kilometers by 15.25%. 15.25% you can write as 15.25% if you like. So now original amount is 100%. So 100%, I just write on top here. And then you reduce, okay? Decrease means reduce. So 15.25% gone. So which is 100 minus 15.25%. So it's 84.75%. So 84.75%. So now all you need to do is 84.75% of 600 kilometers. So which give me 508.5 kilometers. Thank you for watching.